Hey everybody, and welcome to video editing video 1-2. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to start getting all your folders and everything ready. You don't even need the SD card right at the moment. So what I want you to do is I want you to launch the File Explorer. That would be this guy down here. Or what you can also do is just click anywhere in the desktop and go Control N. That will give you a File Explorer window. Awesome. Then I want you to click on this PC and double click on Google Drive. Open your My Drive, open your ComTech folder, and open your video folder. Now I've got some other ones in here that you don't care about. We're going to make a new folder in here, and you're going to call this video 1-2. Excellent. Hit enter. Good. Now, what I want you to do is you'll notice that I have a little cloud right here. See this cloud? It's supposed to be a check mark. And what it means is that everything I put in here is going to be uploaded to the cloud and kept there as a shortcut. I don't want that. I want everything to stay on my hard drive. As a matter of fact, so I'm going to get you, if you have the cloud part, I want you to go back to your ComTech folder, and I want you to right-click on your video folder. I want you to pick Show More Options. And then I'll go pick offline access, available offline, click it right there. Excellent. And you'll notice that it is now going in there and it is downloading stuff. All right, it'll be a little while because I do have a lot in these other folders. But there's nothing in the video 1-2 folder, we just made it. Okay, so double click on video 1-2. Excellent. We're going to make a new folder. And in here, we're going to call this media, because this is where all of our media is going for video 1-2. So add video 1-2. It's important that you add the video 1-2. So how do you change a name of a folder if you made a mistake? Well, you click exactly on the letters, and then it turns to this blue thing. Sometimes you have to click twice. It's weird. Okay. All right. This is where all of your video footage is going. It's going to go into here. I'm going to now go to I'm going to open up Premiere Pro. I'm going to make a purple project file. It's going right inside here. That is here inside the video 1-2 folder. All right, good. Let's fire up Premiere Pro now. I'm going to do it by clicking on down here on the bottom right, and then I'm going to click on the Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm going to go to Apps, and I'm going to pick Premiere. I call it Premiere Pro because that's what it used to be called. Now it's called Premiere. I'm going to say don't show me this again and hit continue. While we're waiting, you can also launch apps by just going down to the search bar and typing the name, and you start to type the name and it will pick that, and there it is. I could have clicked on that. That would have been faster, quite honestly. Now that you are here in this, now you might have some intro pages or whatever. You can click out of those things. Premiere really wants to show you new stuff. And we want a new project. So over in the top left, click New Project. All right, now, under project name, video 1-2. There, bring that back here. Video 1-2. Don't hit return. Okay, now we're going to click browse. We want to show it where we're going to save this thing. So we now need to weave our way. You can pick Google Drive or just click on this PC. Double click on Google Drive, double click on My Drive, double click on ComTech, double click on video, double click on video 1-2 and stop. All right. You don't want to put your video project into the media folder. It needs to be next to it. Okay, I'll explain why later. Okay, I'm going to hit save. And then here's the last thing. Skip this import mode. You don't want this guy. Okay, it's a weird page. All right, hit create. Excellent. Now, depending on whether or not you've used Premiere before, you will probably end up in the learning section. So click on this little guy next to it and pick editing. If it doesn't have the window that you want, you can go back once you're in editing and pick reset to saved layout. Awesome. Okay, now you have to go get the SD card and put it in. Okay. So you can minimize Premiere right now by clicking on this button up here in the top right.